Hi viewers, it's been a very long time since I've done a gold unboxing, and there's some very specific reasons that I chose this particular coin. So without further ado, as you can see, it is unopened. So we will get straight on with this. If we can, he says. Oh, without too much trouble. And let us see. Oh, there's my delivery note. Just get that out of there. And see what we have. What on earth is this? Well, you can see where it's come from. Now, I don't think I've bought from the Royal Mint since 2015, but many reasons. One being that it's a government-run business. But anyway, we won't go into that. Let's get straight on and have a look at the coin. It's obviously quite nicely packaged. Yeah, no idea. Oh my god, looks like I've got to tear another one open. And if I can get into it. Oh my word, that is well packaged. And anyway, there it is. It's a 2022 double sovereign. My first double sovereign ever, never had another one. And I've only actually ever seen one in person, and that was at my LCS a few years ago. And why didn't I buy it? I don't know, I probably didn't have the money at the time, but anyway. See if I can get a better shot of that without a face reveal. So that's the normal sovereign, the 2022, and that is the double sovereign. Obviously, as you can see, considerably larger. And it is the last sovereign that's going to be featuring Queenie. And there's a bit of schmutz on there. I don't know what that is. I'll have a look at that in a minute. It's probably a bit of plastic from the capsule, but I wasn't expecting it to be in a capsule, but it is. And obviously this design is a 1 year only design for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, if I remember rightly. So that's really the reason I chose to buy this. Double sovereigns are usually much lower mintage, and hardly ever see double sovereigns. As I said, I've only ever seen one in person, and hardly really see them for sale. So yes, that makes an excellent addition to my sovereign stack. That's not all of them, but that's just a dozen of them, which, as you know, normally have George and the Dragon on them. And I was hoping that this wouldn't be too coppery looking, which is why I dug out the older sovereigns, and it isn't, thankfully. But yeah, so next year we'll obviously have King Charles on them. So whether I'll be able to afford a double sovereign next year, we'll have to wait and see what gold price does. Well, actually, I think they're probably being released soon. I think the proofs were released, or some of the proof sets and stuff was released today, but not for me. I think I'd rather just have the bullion pieces. But anyway, hope you enjoyed seeing a double sovereign, first for me and probably a first for many of you. Anyway, keep calm and keep stacking, and see you on the next one. Bye.